This video, I'll explain last two digits of number raised to any large power. See, if a number ends with 0, then last two digits of any number raised to any large power is always 0, 0. So, for example, if you have 20 to the power 5, any value, then its last two digits are always 0, 0. If a number ends with 5, then you have to check the tens digit and last digit of a power. See, for example, if you have 2 5 to the power 113. So in this case, tens digit is 2 and the last digit of power is 3. So if the given number's tens digit is odd and last digit of the power is also odd, then only the number ends in 7 5. Otherwise, in all other cases, the number ends in 2 5. So in this case, the number ends in 2 5. Similarly, 55 to the power 11 if you have, then here digit in the units place is 5 and the last digit of the power is 1. This is also odd, this is also odd. In this case, the number ends with 7 5. In all other cases, the number ends with 2 5. Say for example, one more value, 45 to the power 12. Here tens digit is 4 and the units digit of the power is 2. Both are even. So in this case, number ends in 2 5. Next, if the numbers are ending in 1, then in that case, see for example, 21 to the power 15 I want to find out, then its last digit is always 1 because 1 to the power any value is 1. To get the tens digit, take the tens digit of the base, multiply it with the last digit of the power. So 2 5s, this product gives you value 10. See the last digit of this product, that is 0. Then write that last digit of the product as tens digit of the answer. So this ends with 0 1. Similarly, if you have 131 to the power 27. So in this case, last digit of this power is always 1. Then to get the tens digit, take the tens digit of the given base, then multiply it with the last digit of the power. So 3 sevens are 21. Here last digit of the product is 1. Therefore this expression ends with 1 1. Now for the numbers ending with the 3, 7 or 9, then we have to convert the given base until we get the last digit as 1. Then we have to apply the previous method. Here you have to remember one more thing. The power cycle of 3 has the frequency 4 and the power cycle of 7 has the frequency 4 and power cycle of 9 has the frequency 2. That is 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81. So here when you raise the power by 4, then the last digit becomes 1. Same in the case of 7, but in the case of 9, 9 power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81. Here it ends within the second power of 9. Therefore, you have to keep this in mind. Your given number has to be raised to the power 4 if it ends with the 3, raised to the power 4 if it ends with the 7, and in this case it has to be raised to the power 2. Say for example, 19 to the power 266. So last digit is 9. 9 has the cyclicity 2. Therefore, you have to raise the power by 2 and divide this power value by 2. So, it is 19 to the power 2 whole power 266 divided by 2. This is simplified as 19 square to the power 133. Now I need last two digits of 19 square, that they are calculated as 9 square is 81. So 1, 8 is the carry. Then to get the tens digit, this is the method. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, then 18 plus this carry 8 gives you 26. So last digit of 26 is 6. Therefore in the tens place you have the value 6. Then other digits are there, but I don't want them. Just 61 to the power 133. Now this number ends with 1. Therefore the previous method, last digit of the any power is 1. Then to get the tens digit, multiply tens digit with the last digit of the power. 6 3 is 18. 8 is the last digit. So number ends with 81. Now, suppose if you have 2519 to the power 266. Now, in this case, finding the last two digits is same as finding the last two digits of 19 to the power 266. So, in this case also, you will get the last two digits as 81, because last two digits always depend on the last two digits of the given number, however big the number is. Consider one more example, 33 to the power 288. Here the last digit is 3 and 3 has the power cycle with the cyclicity 4. Therefore, raise the power by 4 and divide this power value by 4. So that gives you 33 to the power 4 divide to the power 288 by 4. So we have to simplify this, 33 to the power 4 whole power, this value simplified as 72. Now to get the last two digits of 33 to the power 4, I'll split it as 33 square into 33 square to the power 72, because I know the shortcut method to find last two digits of any square. So now 3 square is 9 and tens digit is obtained as 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. So tens digit is 8. Same thing you will get here, 89. So 89 into 89, that gives you 89 square to the power 72. Again, last two digits of 89 square are obtained as 9 square 81. So it is 1, 8 is the carry. Then 9 8s are 72, 72 2s are 144, 144 plus 8 carry, that gives you 152. So last digit is 2. So it is 21 to the power 72. So this is the number ending with 1, the previous method. Last digit is always 1. Then tens digit is obtained by multiplying the tens digit with the last digit of the power. So 2 2s are 4. Therefore, this expression ends with 41. Consider one more example, 87 to the power 474. Here the last digit is 7. Therefore, power cycle of 7 has frequency 4 raised to the power 4 and divide this power by 4. But here this power value is not exact multiple of 4. Therefore, I have to split this as 87 to the power 472 into 87 square. That altogether it gives you 474, because 472 is an exact multiple of 4. Therefore, now I'll raise it to the power 4 here. Then 472 by 4. This 87 square as it is. Here 87 to the power 4 whole power, this value is 118. So into 87 squares, last two digits I want. Same method, 7 square is 49. So last digit is 9 here. 4 is the carry. Then 8 sevens are 56, 56 twos are 112, 112 plus 4, that gives you 116. So tens digit is 6. Keep this as it is. Now I have to simplify this. 87 square into 87 square to the power 118 into 69. This is same as last two digits I obtained here, 69. So it is 69 into 69, 69 square to the power 118 into 69. To get the last two digits of 69, again the same method, 9 square is 81. So last digit is 1, 8 is the carry. 9 6 54, 54 2s it gives you 108, 108 plus 8 gives you 116. So last digit here it is 6 to the power 118 into 69. Now this is ending with the digit 1. Therefore, the previous method, last digit is 1. Then to get the tens digit, 6 into 8, that is 48. Therefore, here tens digit is 8 into 69. Now you have to multiply these two to get the last two digits. That can be carried using the vertical crosswise method, that is 69 this way. To get the last digit, 9 ones are 9. Then to get these two digits, to get the tens digit, this crosswise. So 9 8s are 72, then 6 ones are 6. 72 plus 6 gives you 78. So last digit of 78 is 8. Therefore, tens digit is 8. The given expression ends with the digits 8 and 9. Last case is for the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6 or 8. You have to remember these points. 76 to the power any value ends in 76. 24 to the power even always ends in 76. 24 to the power odd value ends in 24. 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. 2 to the power 20 ends in 76. And one more thing, 76 to the power any value ends in 76, and 76 into 2 to the power n always ends in last two digits of this 2 to the power n. Consider one example, 2 to the power 543. I want the last two digits of this power. So I have to write it in terms of 2 to the power 10. So for that, I'll write it as 2 to the power 540 into 2 to the power 3, because numbers ends with the 0 means we can write it easily in powers of 10. So now this is equal to 2 to the power 10 to the power 54 into 2 cube. Now 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. Therefore, this ends in 24 to the power 54 into 2 cube. Now 24 to the power even, 54 is even, always ends in 76. 76 into 2 cube. Now 76 into 2 to the power n always ends in last two digits of 2 to the power n. Here it is 2 to the power 3 now. Last two digits of 2 cube is just 8. So you can add as 0, 8. So this expression ends in 0, 8. Now one more example, 62 to the power 586. Now in this case, it is not directly given in terms of 2 to the power some value. So I have to write this as 2 into 31 to the power 586. Now split it as 2 to the power 586 and 31 to the power 586. For this, the number ending with 1, that method, and for this, numbers ending with 2 method. So 2 to the power 586, I'll split it as 2 to the power 580 into 2 to the power 6 into, this is number ending with 1, ends with 1, then tens digit 3 into 6. 3 6 is 18, so last digit here it is 81. Now 2 to the power 580 can be written as 2 to the power 10 to the power 58 into 2 to the power 6 into 81. So 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. 24 to the power even ends in 76. Therefore 76 into 2 to the power 6, that ends in last two digits of 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 value is 64. Therefore it is 64 into 81. Now I need to multiply these two to get the last two digits, that is 64, 81. Multiplication is carried vertical crosswise, vertical for the last digit, so 4 ones are 4. Then for the tens digit, 6 ones are 6, 8 fours are 32, so that gives you 38. So the last tens digit is 8. So this expression ends in 84. Now one more example, 64 to the power 236. Now here the number ends with 4. Therefore you have to write it in multiples of 2. So here I'll write it as, it is directly available in terms of 2 to the power value only. So it is 2 to the power 6 to the power 236. I'll multiply this as a 2 to the power 236 into 6 gives you the value 1416. Now write it in terms of 2 to the power 10. So for that, 2 to the power 1410 into 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 10 to the power 141 into 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. 24 to the power, this value is odd now. So 24 to the power odd ends in 24. Therefore 24 into 2 to the power 6. So this gives you 24 into 2 to the power 6 value is 64. We have to multiply these two to get the last two digits. So 24, 64. 4 fours are 16. 1 is the carry. Then 4 twos are 8. 6 fours are 24. So 32 plus 1, this 33. So last two digits are 3 and 6. Now one more example, 28 to the power 80. Here the last digit is 8. So it is not in terms of powers of 2. So I will write it as multiple of 2 now. So it is 4 sevens are 80. Okay. So multiple of 2 or multiple of 4, anything is fine. So it is 4 to the power 80 into 7 to the power 80. So 4 can be written as again 2 to the power 2. So 2 square to the power 80 gives you 2 to the power 160 into 7 to the power. This is 7 to the power 80. So method is to be applied with the frequency of 7 as 4. That is, raise it to the power 4. Then 80 by 4 gives you 20. So 4 2s are 80 you will get here. So 2 to the power 160, 2 to the power 10 to the power 16 into, this is 7 to the power 4 is written as 7 square into 7 square. 7 square is 49. So 49 square to the power 20. Last two digits of 49 square are calculated as 9 square 81. So 1, 8 is the carry. 9 fours are 36. 36 twos are 72. 72 plus 8 gives you 80. So last digit here is 0. So tens digit is 0, 1 to the power 20. And this value 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. 24 to the power even ends in 76. So 76 into 1 to the power 20. So last digit is 1, 0 into 0, that gives you 0 into 76. Therefore, this ends in 76. Now, last example, 536 to the power 35. So here the last two digits are 36. Therefore, it is same as finding the last two digits of 36 to the power 35. Now, I'll write this 36 to the power 35 as 9 fourths 35. Split it as 9 to the power 35 into 4 to the power 35. So 9 to the power 35 can be written in terms of 9 square, because power cycle has a frequency 2. So 9 square to the power 35 is not exact multiple of 2. Therefore, I'll write it as 17 here, because 34 then into 9 1 extra into 4 to the power 35 is 2 square to the power 35, which gives you 2 to the power 70. Now 9 square is 81. 81 to the power 17 into 9 into 2 to the power 10 to the power 7. So 81 power 17 has last two digits. The last digit is 1. Then 8 sevens are 56. So last digit is 6 here, into 9 into 2 to the power 10 ends in 24. 24 to the power odd ends in 24. Therefore, let me multiply this one. 549 into 24. Therefore, I have to find the last two digits of this product. So that is calculated as, so vertical crosswise. Rest of the value we don't want. So 9 fours are 36. 3 is the carry. Then 4 fours are 16. 9 twos are 18. So this value altogether gives you 37. 7 is the last digit. Therefore, the given expression ends with 7 6. So this is how we calculate last two digits of the given power. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.